The comment says this: there is something about your man that I don't trust. He doesn't seem real. I think he's just playing a part. I don't like him.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
So it's a manners and prayers, people.
Hey everyone.
Manners and prayers. These are the.
I'm back, people. I am back.
There.
I'm here. So got back yesterday, had a good sleep and everything. So now back on the road, right? Yeah. No work today, which is good. Just, you know, grocery shopping, the usual. Replenishing the house. Yeah. So we're just on the road everyday stuff today. Yeah. So
Jump round.
take you with us. Yeah.
You come?
You coming? Come. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Put on your seatbelt please, sir. I have to put mine on too. Yeah. We're not moving yet, we were stationary, just to let the people know. Alright guys. Yep.
Your seatbelt on.
What, you're not moving the car. You hear him? You can see the car is still. But anyway guys, catch up with you a little bit later, alright? Yeah.
Move forward.
Sampars. Right, so we in Sampars. Come do our monthly shop. Yes, sir. What are you coming to get?
Few things.
Yeah.
A few things, you know? Work up better on the side there.
True.
So I work with it.
Yes, guys. I think we've vlogged this before. We just come and just try to pick up stuff for the month and then just, you know, top up with bread and those kind of things. Just works out better for us. So this is Sampars. There's quite a few of them around the island, but we're in Senna's Bay one. Yeah. What tea you pick up? What tea is that? Ginger mint. Ginger mint tea. Alright, folks. Look at this, guys. Sorry with ginger tea, but this is what caught my eye. This. Have you seen this before?
What's that?
Pimento allspice tea. Tea bag. I wonder what that tastes like. Pimento tea bag.
You never see that.
So this is what Outlaw's looking at a minute ago. You see?
We need it. Yeah, 40 on it.
So you're getting one.
Yeah, man, we need a tea.
Yeah.
Last year.
Cinnamon tea. I'm not seeing that either.
Cinnamon tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, them have tea that most in right now.
Yeah.
But it's true we know the tea them.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the tea we don't know, we don't want it.
Guava.
Because I must price much I price me.
I've never heard of this though. What's this? Vervain. You know this? Vervain?
Vervain in the bush.
Blue, okay.
We never know about 19.
Okay, there you go. Can get anything. Rosemary, tea bag,
all these things now, they have additive and preservative with them things. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we can get the real bush out there.
Yeah, just get the bush and just boil it.
We can get all these bushes out there.
Just finished with Sampars. Show you some of what we got. 2 £5 bag of rice. Yeah. What else? Some tang. Mix it with water. Some powder seasoning. Saltfish. I don't even know how much. How much is that? About £1 of saltfish maybe? £1 of saltfish. Ginger mint, BCT. Some franks. Yeah, garbage bags. We didn't pick up a lot. Pick up the rest in the local shop. Some hand towel and some soap. Yeah, you know, soap and yeah, all of that. That comes to like nearly $8,000. Isn't it? 7,600. People, this little bit of things. Them little bit of something here, nearly $8,000. Yeah. Guys, that little bit of stuff that you see, that little bit of food and household items, nearly $8,000. And we haven't even, we haven't got any vegetables yet. We haven't picked up any chicken yet. No fish, you know, no fresh seasonings. And some other little bits and pieces that we need that we have to get from another store. Yeah. We haven't been to the market yet.
2 years ago, 2 times of that, we had to pay $8,000.
True.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 times of that we had to get.
Yeah, I remember coming to Sampars and picking up a whole load of stuff and paying like $5 grand.
Yeah, man.
For much more than that. But you know, I guess everybody's feeling it everywhere, isn't it? It's not just us in Jamaica, it's everywhere. the whole world, everything's gone up. So you just, we just get on with it and try and manage it the best we can. But yes, guys. So we're done with St. Anne's Bay now. Done with St. Anne's Bay.
I want to see the mirror, please. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm blocking his way. Are you going to look for the yam? Oh, right. He's reversing so we can go look at some yams. We passed this earlier, and I said to Outlaw, we just passed some yam and it looked like it's just freshly dug, so we're going to get some yam.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Real yellow yam.
Real yellow yam.
Yes,
you see that, guys? Let me zoom and make you see. Real yellow yam. Look like it just come out the ground, innit? Yeah. So we're going to buy some of this. Yeah. There you go. $2 a pound.
Yeah.
So you see this, you buy it up, $100 a pound, you buy this.
Yeah, people take the yam like a joke.
Yeah.
Good authentic Jamaican yam.
So there, want to go and pick and choose. Yeah. There's people. This yam look like it just come out the ground. Freshly. What? Yeah, look at that, people.
Good yellow yam.
Yeah.
Real old yams.
$100 a pound, you know. 100. People, some place you go, they're selling you for all $200, $250 a pound. So when you see yam for $100 a pound and it look good like this, you don't pass it. You pick up. The only thing is Outlaw and I are trying to cut down of the carbs and the rice and the whole heap of food, but yeah. Come on.
Them yam I remember when I look at you so.
That's right.
I run back to my grandfather. Them yam I put them place, man.
You hear that? Outlaw said them yam, they remind him of when he was young and his grandfather used to grow yam like this. Yes, people. So when we see these things on the road, we can't not stop. Did I tell you about the yam?
You couldn't left that.
What did I say? Yes?
You couldn't left that. Watch it. You like a painting that's on wall, get a paint on it, but yellow yam, real yams. I mean, I'm ramping.
Yeah.
You can't see them or something I road and left them.
Yes, people. Yeah, man, we passed this, Sam passes over there, and we passed this, and I said, you see the yam? I said, you never see it, but you know what? He's going to drive back.
Yes,
so when we finish with Sam pass, he just reverse right back.
You couldn't.
See, how much did you buy? £4?
£4.
£4.
Cooking visionary, you know what I think?
Yeah. $400. How good is that?
Watch it.
Yeah, man.
No, sir. You couldn't see that and left that. If you do that, if me left it go, make it a beating. We're supposed to dead for you and give it 2 days. If me left that go home. You're crazy. We can't do this. Real food, man. That yam remember me tell me a little youth, me say. I go drunk with my grandfather, Uncle Sammy Clark. And them yam type of yam there.
Yeah.
And my uncle, my uncle from over the street there, Skanker. And them type of yam there, I see what the man them thing. When the man them dig yam, them quality yam there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And I couldn't left that a while ago. But that remind me of the whole thing, my little youth.
Yeah.
The type of yam. Yeah, man.
Yes, guys. So yes, we got
Real
good
yams.
deals. $100 a pound.
Yeah. That yam there go buy me a tell me the no rasta. So I take man no man for that. So take no for me again and for just give if you can come in. Yeah. I can't give back. Because no that I eat with you. But that's no type of yam.
People in the market. So we got little Irish, £2 Irish. There were Irish is like $150 a pound. Some country pepper, hot pepper. You know, skillet and thyme. You can't get one without the other. Some callaloo, cabbage. What's this? Tomato. Pound of tomato. Little carrot. Another one there somewhere. Some onion. Some ginger somewhere. Some ginger. And some garlic. So that will keep us for a little while. Yeah. And a ginger. What I realised about the ginger in the UK, it doesn't have no taste. It doesn't have any taste. They're so weak. So usually when I go back to like England, I like to bring ginger from Jamaica with me, because I find that the ginger in Jamaica is so much more powerful, more potent. But the one in England, So yes. So that's us, guys. That's the little weekly grocery fresh stuff. Yeah. Got a few more things to pick up now. Some chicken, maybe some fish if I can find it. But yes. That's the market done.
Yeah, man, everything come to what, 17 bits.
That's not bad. 17. All of this is not bad.
Yeah, man, 17
all
bits.
All of this, something that you got.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
1,700.
For all of this.
Yeah, man.
The ginger, the cabbage, the pepper. You know.
Yeah, man, the whole works of that.
Alright, yeah.
1,700 for that.
And there's sweet pepper in there as well. Sweet pepper in there, yeah.
Cabbage on and the whole works.
So that's that, guys.
Pepper, on time.
So a few more little things to pick up, right?
Yeah,
little chicken and maybe little fish that you can find it.
Yeah, poor people store.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, up so we get more.
Yeah.
So my place them bad like sore. Not an easy thing to go through, man. We're good, man. Give thanks to life, people. So, you know what thing go? You go drive a vehicle. And my son foot that. My little son, 14-year-old.
What size?
47. I put me out to that size, yeah.
47.
47.
What's that like? Size 13?
Say 13 and both. Yeah, 13 and quarter, something like that.
13 and quarter, you know. Where you get that part from?
I tell me no know if the fraction.
Yeah.
Fraction or something.
Alright.
You know the thing go. Yeah, my people. We give thanks to life.
Yeah.
These are there, you know, my wife.
Back in the building. So people, we're not too long. Outlaw's laughing, right? We're not too long coming off the road, right? You see us going, doing our little shopping at the market, picking up a little bits and pieces, right? So we're coming. I'm just catching up with like stuff on the phone, you know, messages, etc. I'm looking at some of the comments from the latest video that I dropped, which was about wanting to go to England for my son's birthday, right? And because the notifications come in on my phone. So I come in, the phone starts popping off all of these notifications, comments and messages. So, you know, I'm reading the messages and I'm responding. And then I come across this message. Now, guys, I don't usually do this, right? See, out there, I don't usually do this. And let me just say this before I even go any further. We're on YouTube, yeah? We're on social media. So, of course, we understand that there's going to be negative comments, okay? It's part and parcel of what we do. You put yourself out there, there's always going to be one or two people that don't like it or they've got something negative to say. Yeah, I have no problem with that because I kind of know what we signed up for. We know what we signed up for, right?
Of course.
Good. And to be fair, we don't really get many, you know, disrespectful or negative comments. Sometimes we do. Sometimes I just leave them alone.
So we're not really doing nothing.
No, we're not. I don't think we're doing anything to be disrespected. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes if I think they're a little bit below the belt, I would just delete them. I would delete them under the comment section because I have the power to delete and to block that person from viewing our channel again. Good. I haven't really had to do that. Apart from in the very beginning when we started the YouTube channel, we had a few like nasty comments. Okay. But I got a comment. We got a comment, right? And I'm going to read the comment out. And I know this person watches our channel. So the comment says this. I'm not going to, you know what? Just thank God that that I'm not the same person I used to be, okay? Yes. Because I would have dealt with it very differently. But I just wanted to read this comment, yeah? And the comment says this. There is something about your man that I don't trust. He doesn't seem real. I think he's just playing a part. I don't like him. You hear that, people? There's something about your man I don't trust. He doesn't seem real. I think he's just playing a part. I don't like him. That was a comment.
What man said that, no people?
It was a man that said this. At first I was like, it must be a woman, right? But it's a man that says this. Okay, everybody's entitled to their opinion, okay? I'm going to tell you guys what I responded. You guys can go look in the comments. So it's under the video, not feeling my best, feeling a little bit down. That's what the video is titled when I was talking about wanting to go to England to go see my son and, you know, not kind of feeling guilty. That's the video this man posted the comment under. So usually what I would have done is just ignored the comment or deleted the comment. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to leave it because I want people to see. So I replied. And my reply, I'm going to read my reply. My reply was, so, I don't usually say what I'm about to say. Please go and take a seat. I don't disrespect anyone and I won't take disrespect from anyone. Do you know him? Obviously not, because if you did know him, you'd know he's the nicest, kindest man you'll ever meet. Furthermore, I'd appreciate it if you just come off this channel with your disrespect and go and watch somebody else's channel that you trust. He doesn't trust him, right? What are you watching him for? Go watch somebody else's video or channel that you trust.
Sure.
Furthermore, I said, we don't need you or your comments over here. We are all entitled to our opinions, but some opinions are better kept to yourself. Now, I thought about deleting your comment, but I'm leaving it for everyone to see. The next time you try to make a comment like this on our channel, you will be blocked. That was my response. So, do you know what? When I first saw the comment, I was like, no. I said to Outlaw, nah, I'm gonna deal with this person. I'm gonna done them. But you know what? This is the mature. This is the bit more maturities are coming out, because people, one time I want to just rub them out. People, sorry to say, what I said to Outlaw, I cannot repeat on this channel, okay? Because we're keeping it family friendly. But what I said to him when I saw the comment, I can't repeat those words. God forgive me. Okay, I was in my feelings, and I may have used a few beeps. Okay. So, I'm not going to use them. I don't think I responded to him any type of way. Trying to be respectful and tasteful in my response to him. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, like, just put that out there. This is...
Come on, I don't know him, not that, but at first, these are the showing picture a while ago. I try to see, and then something there. I don't know what fucking man this, I don't know.
I guess he's in his feeling for something. I like I said, everybody's entitled to their opinion, you know. Everybody's entitled to their opinion, but I think, you know, sometimes there are just some opinions it's best to keep to yourself, you know. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, and you know, I'm leaving it there. I'm not gonna make it. It's not gonna bother me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it bother me. Just tell him straight now. Yeah, just make him know I'm straight the people. Yeah, I'm straight like Arab. Yeah, just make him know I'm straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight. When listen to me straight. Yeah, the man know about him now. I don't know if him bend up or him straight there, but just make him know me straight.
Yeah, but yeah, you're right.
Happy wife, happy life.
Okay.
Yeah, me sign that. Straight nation. I don't know about him.
Yeah.
Because me try to can. What about me?
You know?
Old man, if even the young, I don't want nobody look me. I'm not look man, I'm the man that look me. Living my life, don't. Yeah, I try to live my life.
Yeah. Yeah, and the thing is this, right? This person may have only seen us on YouTube, okay, for the last year. One, we haven't only been together for 1 year, we've been together for longer. Two, we've known each other for almost 20 years. Do you understand? So this year, I haven't just met him, he hasn't just met me, and we just decided to shuck up and just...
That's up there.
No, we've known each other a long time. I know a lot about him.
We're long before
he knows a lot about me. You understand? So, anyway, we don't really have to justify ourselves to anybody else. But you know what? I just wanted to share that with you guys, right?
Yeah, my people.
Just share it. But we're good.
Deal with him for me. Yeah, just deal with him for me.
Oh, boy.
Because, yeah, I don't mind style that. So, me put on to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, just broke off one piece of him. Like, the brother about you can try broke off
oh, gosh. Guys, it is what it is, right?
Yeah, man, marathon prayers. Give thanks to life, baby. Yeah.
We'll catch up later anyway.
Yeah, man, we've got, like I said, these are just, you want to know what I want, so. I don't have much to say now, because you need in front of me now, I chop off one piece of him.
You done celebrated already.
So, you know what you think.
Alright, people.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.